A major rug pull is happening right now as we speak, and you may be losing a bucket load of money if you haven't already, if you are invested in some of these projects. Well, it is the biggest DeFi rug pull in the history of crypto yet. Let's talk about it. Have a look right here. We've decided that we are closing the chapter of contributing to the DeFi in the crypto space. Now, that means that there is around 25 different applications and services within this DeFi community that are about to take a massive hit. You can see here in a post from Anton himself that this is not a knee-jerk reaction to the hate received from releasing a project, but the decision has been coming for a while now. So you may want to move your money pretty quick before these assholes rug pull you. You can also see here that the date for the termination is going to be on the 3rd of April 2022, so coming up very quick. So you're going to see the projects that are included within this community starting to take some big nosedives. In fact, they already are, and here's a list of a bunch of them that are included in that group, and you will see some massive drops happening to them. Now, what this does affect is it does affect one protocol that I very much like myself, which is the Phantom Network. Now, the Phantom Network did promote a lot of these projects, so what's happening with that is Phantom is also taking some massive nosedives right now. I do believe that Phantom is going to recover. The rest of them are not. And the reason I think that is because Phantom was only connected with them in a way. It was not a fundamental platform for them. So in that aspect, I believe Phantom's going to rebound. So the drop in their price right now that you're seeing up to 15, 16% that happened only today and a couple more percents over the last few days. It is a smart time, in my opinion, to be grabbing some of those. But I do anticipate to still see some more drop coming because of the downward pressure that's going to occur between now and April 3rd of 2022 in all of these programs that were affiliated. And these are just a few to list out of the whole ecosystem that is there. So you may want to check where you've got your investments and whether they are connected to this group. Investing and making money is great, but protecting your money and not losing it is even better. That's why iHuddleLife is the best crypto community that's out there. So feel free to join us today.